So today we're meeting our clients, Todd and Kelly, out in Gibsonton, Florida, which is just a little south of Tampa. We are out here to check out not only their property, but where they're currently living.
I'm excited to get this going. It's been a long time here.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to knock on the camp?
Hi!
Come on.
Wow! This is the campground.
This is the campground.
I'm Todd.
And I'm Kelly.
And
we're ready to
build a
our
dream home.
We are both teachers. I'm a school counselor.
And I teach music.
How long have you guys been living like this?
13 months.
Yeah.
We have Todd and I, our 2 dogs, and a cat living in this one small trailer.
We really were hoping to be in a house by last year.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that just didn't happen.
So for 20 plus years, we lived in our house, and it was about 2,200 square feet. And once our children were gone, we didn't live in half of the house, so it was time for us to downsize.
We love the outdoors. We love being on the water. She found this lot that came up. I actually had a builder, and he said, oh yeah, we can build this house in our budget. So we went ahead and put our house on the market. Within a few days, it was sold, and we had prepped getting a little camper and putting it on the lot while the place got built. And right before we're going to go into the loan, they just email us this contract, and it was 80 grand more than what our budget could afford.
They probably didn't want the job.
That's all I can figure.
The situation that Todd and Kelly went through with the previous builder, we hear it too often.
That dream kind of turned into a nightmare, but we're trying to reassure them that it can be done.
It's such a beautiful piece of land. I mean, there's so much potential here. Let's go explore this lot a little bit.
Oh, man. This is a really big property.
This is so beautiful, so peaceful back here, too.
It is beautiful.
Let's talk about what this vision for this home is and what are some of the things on your wish list?
Well, we definitely want a 2-bedroom.
Okay.
Room 2 bath.
And maybe that 2nd bedroom multi-use as part of an office.
Okay.
Open concept like
Yeah.
the trailer.
And a bigger shower would be nice.
So that you can stand up in the shower, maybe?
Absolutely.
And then obviously, we love the outdoors. So having some kind of nice deck space.
You have any idea of the style?
We definitely like a modern, kind of clean look.
And we like artistic touches that aren't overwhelming. They're still kind of cool and sleek and modern,
Okay.
but they're unique.
I know what I like, but putting it all together is definitely not something that I'm good at.
That's why we do the inspiration tours, because I feel like once you walk spaces and you see different ideas, it'll help you. That's really our next step. So what are we working with as far as budget for the dream home?
So $235,000 is our max.
Okay. But I think we can accomplish giving you the 2 bedrooms, the 2 baths, and give you a little bit more wiggle room.
Oh,
Sounds great.
Look, they are definitely in sync.
It is so exciting. I just got goosebumps now just talking about it. I'm gonna get emotional. I know I'm gonna be a mess. This is just a dream.
All right, let's do it.
We're gonna get you out of that camper and into your dream home.
Today, I'm meeting with Todd and Kelly, and we are doing inspiration tours, which is a critical part of the process to get a home done in 100 days. Lots to see today. They really love the idea of a modern home. We're gonna figure out what that really means to them. This house is not extreme modern, but it does have some of the clean lines, and it has more of a neutral, lighter tone as far as the color palette. So what are your thoughts?
I like the clean lines. I like the stucco, but I don't know that I want to go that light. I'm thinking maybe a little color.
Okay.
Yeah, this house is a little traditional. It's not quite modern enough
Okay.
looking. I'm missing the funky dark white contrast with that modern look.
I do think the next house might have a little bit more of that modern flair that you're looking for.
Sounds good.
All right. This definitely has very rich, bold color. Compared to the other house, what's your first impression?
I love the color contrast. I like a darker exterior.
Yeah, I like the two-tone, light and dark. I like
Okay.
the play of that.
And I like the darker roof, but I'm not sure if we're going with shingle, or I'm not sure what our other options are.
A metal roof, I definitely see a lot in a modern home. So I do think it'll give you that modern, sleek look that you're going for.
Yeah, you know, we keep talking about wanting that cool look.
You guys are cool. Your roof should be cool.
Yeah.
Let's check this out.
Wow.
Oh, this is nice.
Very nice.
What are your thoughts on the layout with this great room?
It seems a little closed off. I kind of like a more open feel.
We don't want a lot of square footage, but we want to make it feel bigger than the
Yeah.
camper.
Please.
Sure.
So I think the open concept could accomplish that. Notice the vaulted ceiling
Oh, yeah.
makes it feel more grand, even though the room itself is not huge.
Yep, opens it up.
The beams are really cool.
I like the beams.
I think it definitely adds character to the space. We got a lot of ideas just from this one room.
Yeah.
So I really would love to hear your feedback on this kitchen because it definitely has that modern element.
I'd like this.
Oh, yes.
We've never had a hood vent,
Yep.
and that kind of is a cool look for a modern kitchen. I kind of like the chandelier over their table over there, a little modern.
Light fixtures
Little
can be
light
really fun.
I like modern, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to do shiny cabinets.
Less shiny and less busy.
Yeah, and two-tone, I'm not sure
Nah.
if I want the two-tone.
Okay.
And the backsplash is a little busy for me.
It sounds like you guys are gravitating more towards a modern minimalistic feel.
Yes, for sure.
Like the modern, just a lot going on. Can you do your backsplash the same as the countertop?
You can do whatever you want on a custom home. And then that's one less decision, because once you pick your countertop, that's also our backsplash. Hanging out on the outdoor patio again. Hi, guys.
Good to see you guys.
Look at you, got the greeting committee.
Are you ready to see your dream homes?
I think that we came up with the perfect floor plan for you guys.
Yeah.
It's great.
So we'll start with the exterior.
We kept it one story, but we did decide that you have to go up.
The Alafai River is prone to flooding. So we're gonna do a stem wall that's gonna get you 4 feet elevated to get you out of that flood zone.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
During the inspiration tours, you fell in love with a metal roof, so we're putting a metal roof on this house.
Great investment long term, you'll never have to replace it.
Stepping inside, we actually put the bedrooms towards the front of the house. You've got your main bedroom, nice and spacious. In the main bathroom, you can take a shower standing up all the way.
Wanna make sure we give you double vanities so you both have your separate areas to get ready in the morning.
I think we can probably just do one sink.
Yeah?
The double vanity means double cleaning.
And then we have more space too for some
storage.
That
storage.
is a first.
You guys are good with sharing one.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
The kitchen and living room we actually placed towards the back of the house because the best view is towards the rear part of the lot. We kept it all open, but we wanted to make it feel bigger by also giving you a vaulted ceiling.
We know how much you guys love the outdoor space. So on the back lanai, we wanted to give you a covered patio, pretty much the width of the house, all screened in.
Todd loves to grill outdoors.
Okay.
So if it's all covered, the smoke then kind of gets trapped in there. Can we get a portion of that that's not covered?
Absolutely.
Yeah. 'cause
Like a
everything-
pad for some grilling.
Yes.
Yeah. That'd be great.
Todd, Kelly, we are one step closer to getting your dream home started. We got you what you want on the wish list with the 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, right around 1,200 square feet and a garage. And we're keeping it in your budget of $235,000.
This is definitely a one-of-a-kind custom home just for you guys.
100 days come our way.
Today is day 1 for Todd and Kelly, so it's a big day for them. We are breaking ground. The footers that we're digging here, they're 24 inches deep. We're gonna put our rebar in the footers, we're gonna pour our concrete, build our stem wall, then we are ready to go vertical with Todd and Kelly's dream home. Feels so good to be stacking block and building the exterior walls for Todd and Kelly. I mean, they have been stuck in that trailer for over a year, so to see their house rising from the slab with these exterior walls today, I know they are pumped about it, and so are we.
So today I am really excited to be meeting with Todd and Kelly at my design studio. Obviously, I know you know the progress of the house because you guys are probably peeking out the window every day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Living on the lot in our cozy trailer. It's great to kind of see the process happening, but then I'm anxious, like, okay, let's
keep going.
Let's keep going. Let's
Yeah.
keep going.
Today we're gonna mainly just pick the flooring. So I brought this luxury vinyl plank because it's scratch resistant for the doggies. It's gonna be water resistant and there's not a lot of maintenance. Have you guys given thought, dark flooring, light flooring?
Not too dark.
Yeah, I think something that is a little more natural looking as well.
These 3 right here are a little on the lighter side. What do you think about one of those?
This one would be great. It's a happy medium. I like that one.
You can already tell that with these tall ceilings, it's gonna feel twice as big. A much needed change from the current camper situation where you have to walk around like this. You can actually stretch out in this house.
So
What do you think, Meek?
Man, definitely coming together. This is kind of the halfway point of the construction process. The first time that I'm really seeing the property since our lot tour. Obviously, it's required that we do an elevated build here because we're near the water, but I like it because I feel like, look at it, it enhances your view just by being a few feet up in the air.
Absolutely. We're at Todd and Kelly's dream home, getting ready to top things off, meaning we're installing their really cool, sleek, modern metal roof. And we also have a ton going on inside. Cabinets are getting installed, and the luxury vinyl plank floors are being laid. Now that the roof is on, it's time to paint the exterior of the house that dark gray and build out their back deck so they can really enjoy this amazing property. The special project has arrived. I like all types of music except heavy metal, but I think my opinion's gonna change today after this outdoor shower's installed.
Okay. That's no joke. Yep.
We've got the entire team from Modulo. I mean, it is all hands on deck.
That shower is a beast. Hopefully it fits. I was just saying, we gotta pray the slab's the right size. Oh, love Giancarlo.
All right, last panel. Nice. In addition to the special project with the outdoor shower, we also have really cool wooden accent beams in the great room. I love these architectural details on this vaulted ceiling. It's gonna look so good. It's really gonna give it a nice touch on the inside.
Oh my gosh, I'm overwhelmed at what to look at.
James and I are beaming today.
This would be a great time for a carpenter joke, but I couldn't find any that would work.
Oh! What you got, Brian?
That was actually pretty good.
He's totally gonna steal that joke, I promise you. That makes a huge difference.
Love it. Is that my knees or the wheelbarrow?
That's some knees.
Wow.
That's some knees.
We have so much going on. Landscaping,
Come on, muscles.
all the furnishings are happening today. Oh, you're good at walking backwards. We have a lot of people in this not so big house. What about cheating it at an angle? You know, get one leg in.
Where?
Yes. Problem solving on the fly.
Let's go to the left of the line.
Left of the line. And most importantly, though, Kevin and I are striping the pickleball courts. Today is a well-choreographed effort to get this house completely done.
Lovely.
Teeth out.
So, you know, working with Todd and Kelly through this process of designing this dream home, we wanted to go with that modern, minimalistic vibe, have a lot of different, like, textures in there, some color pop. The light fixtures they chose are black finish. They are beautiful, they're modern, they're almost like an art piece. I feel like this property is, like, got so many different added values as far as entertainment.
It's
And
like
I
living
love
at a
that.
resort.
Hello.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, Todd and Kelly.
Oh my God.
You weren't supposed to see that yet. We were trying to block it.
Oh, yeah, you can't block that.
But didn't it turn out great?
Oh my God. We picked up pickleball last summer.
So you're ready.
We
You've
love
already
it.
been practicing.
We got a little bit of skills down.
Okay.
This is turning into like a resort.
So we figured we just kind of enhance that and add one more game to the mix.
Oh my God, so awesome.
I cannot wait for you to see the inside of your dream home. Are you ready to check it out?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right.
Excited.
You have waited long enough.
Wow, look at the entry.
Oh my goodness.
I love the color. I love the contrast in the door.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
So Todd, I know you're a music teacher. Seeing your dream home, is it music to your ears?
It's to my soul.
Oh, there you go.
Even better.
I cannot wait to show you the inside. You have no idea what's behind those doors. Oh,
Together.
she's running.
Together.
Come on.
Oh,
Here you go.
wow.
Amazing.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is nuts.
Unbelievable. The countertops and then the backsplash the same. I really love that modern look.
Seamless.
Beautiful. Look at the beams.
With the vaulted ceilings, it looks amazing. It gives you that natural, organic kind of feel on the inside. But then you guys mixed it up with like the really cool eclectic lighting.
This lighting
Yes.
is great.
It's like microphone, right, Todd? Hello, karaoke.
Testing 1, 2, can you hear me? You wanna go explore the rest?
Yes.
Yes.
The footprint of this house was so strategic. Obviously, you wanted to keep your square footage within a certain amount.
You know, it's just right.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still spacious enough, but yet it's a full-size table.
You sound like Goldilocks right now. Everything is just right.
I love that.
There is no wasted square footage. I mean, you go straight from the kitchen into the dining room, into the great room.
It'd be great for family and friends coming over.
Now that you're talking about hosting and entertaining,
Yes.
we have a favorite area of this dream home,
Absolutely.
and it's right outside of these sliders.
Wow, check it out.
Is that incredible or what?
Goosebumps.
So spacious, lots of seating.
Yes.
I can just see myself out there in the morning, feeling the breeze, not the bugs because it's screened in. I really love that big open area.
Still got some more to see on the inside. Well,
I don't want to leave this outside.
I know, right?
I know.
It's a favorite
It's hard to
spot.
say goodbye there.
Let's go check out the other rooms.
This is a great office space.
Wow.
Nice office
Beautiful.
space.
You know, this couch actually folds out into a bed, so when you do have guests, they have a place to stay.
For sure. So we're used to hosting and having family.
It's been a long time. I really have missed that.
It's going to be special.
Cool to start throwing some parties again.
It's time to host again for sure.
Now we should probably check out,
Their bathroom?
oh my gosh, bathrooms that you can stand up in.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Gorgeous.
spa room.
When we first met you, you had a bathtub in the yard. Now you can actually take a bath
No.
inside.
I call dibs on it.
So you guys really wanted something kind of sleek, modern. So we have this really cool pedestal, really has a lot of like dimension.
Yeah.
You lose a little bit of storage by not having the cabinetry under there. So you do have closet with storage in here.
Perfect.
And the contrast with the dark flooring.
And I love the grout with the
great.
same color tile.
It's striking.
Yeah.
Now it's time to check out your main suite.
All right.
I know you guys are ready.
Ooh, nice.
Wow.
Beautiful.
This is very sweet.
It's your suite.
I love the color combination.
Me too. It's got a calmness to it.
Should we check out your ensuite?
The shower I can stand in?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Got some space.
Beautiful.
I mean, you guys have been sharing a teeny tiny bathroom for so long,
Oh.
so you deserve to spread out a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
I just can't wait to take a shower.
So Mika and I have one more special place we want to show you.
Wow, check this out.
Nice.
Cool, all right, so keep on walking to your backyard. We have something back here we can't wait to show
What is
you.
this?
Oh
Keep on
my
going.
gosh,
You're
check
getting
that
warm.
out.
Love it.
Wow.
If you're out kayaking, it's salt water. So it's kind of nice to have the option to not bring all of that gunk inside the house.
Oh, it's just perfect.
I love how it complements the house.
Yep.
The material looks great with the metal roof.
And the best thing, guys, this metal, it's gonna naturally age with the house. So it'll be kind of an ongoing changing art piece.
It's just amazing.
What does it feel like to stand here and finally see your dream house on your dream lot?
It's unbelievable.
It's surreal. And it's almost too good to believe.
Should I pinch you?
You have it 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a bonus outdoor bathroom.
It's like 2.5 bathrooms now. And we kept you in your budget of $235,000, but most importantly, we upgraded you from 200 square feet to a whopping 1,200 square feet.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much for putting your trust in us. We have had a blast on this lot building your dream home.
Well, hold on a second, though. Before we do leave, I do want to get a game of pickleball in. We have time?
Challenge?
Let's
do
go.
it. All right.
Come on.
There is no way we could have done this without the help of Mika and Brian.
Hit it, Meek.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh!